Christmas.
Bro, I can tell that this is going to be a very difficult vlog for me. I cannot. I don't know how to pull this out. Sure, I talked about. Anyway, it's very difficult to insert your what do you call this one? Insert your no, I cannot think. It's very difficult to insert your punchline in English. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's very difficult. Well, anyway, I don't know. Yo homies, what's up? If you are new here, I'm Eiyan Mendez and I do travel, lifestyle, and random vlogs. This channel is created mainly to document and vlog all of my local and international travel. However, pandemic happened this year, so we cannot roam around. So since the lockdown, I uploaded a random vlogs. If you're an oldie homies, you can tell that I only speak Cebuano dialect, my local dialect here in all of my vlogs, but we are here right now talking in the foreign language. Actually, this idea was originally suggested by one of the finest travel vlogger here in Cebu, Master 𝓰𝓲𝓯𝓽𝓽𝓽𝓻𝓼. So he just uploaded his version of English challenge last week. So if you haven't checked his channel, please go to 𝓰𝓲𝓯𝓽𝓽𝓽𝓻𝓼. Just search in the YouTube search bar. Let's see what we can do right now, if we can continue. Please help me here and please don't judge me if my grammar are incorrect or not correct. Yeah, whatever. Well, anyway, I'm not used to speak. I'm not used to speak in English, you know, but I know a little bit, just a little bit. Just all the how, why, what, when, so that's all. Well, anyway, let's go to the vlog and let's see what we can do. Flynn, will you please help me?
Bruh.
I'm recording you because I want to speak with you in English. Yahoo! You can understand me, right? Say right. Yes, master. Why are you so lazy, Flynn? And why are you so moody? Huh? Flynn? Hey, Flynn, I think he wants to tell me, human, don't disturb my peace. Okay, Flynn. I will let you rest and see you later. Alright? So I need to record this again because all of the previous files I recorded were corrupted. So that's it. I'm in Ayala right now because I'm running some errands. Just a quick visit here and then go back home to eat lunch. So I wanted to go to McDonald's, but then it's a long line in McDonald's, so I decided not to go. This is very difficult for me, bro. So I'm here right now in our office. So I'm waiting for someone to go down. I'm quite surprised right now because this used to be our place where we eat or buy some snacks during break time, but then right now they are closed. They are already closed. So this is one of the biggest impact on this pandemic, the closing of some establishments. So I'm not sure if there are other brands there in Wipro. I'm not sure if it's still open, but I guess so. They sell a quite affordable meals. This time it's recording already. But the earlier conversation not. So you cannot help me anymore?
From the top?
From the top. Guys, I haven't recorded the first, the earlier conversation with Katya. So,
Yeah.
so gore. Thank you, Kat. And
Because you're so excited.
yeah, I'm so, yeah, you're right. I'm so excited to see you. And how are you, by the way? Do you have a boyfriend already? So who's with you? There.
From DMO?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with Kuya Jerome, Peace, Charisse, Marielle,
Say hi to them.
Okay,
Okay,
Marielle,
okay.
Renon,
Okay,
Sahara.
okay, is there also?
Yes, because he
Oh.
has scars.
Ah, yeah, right.
Yeah.
How about Ninya?
No, because of her condition.
Sure.
Very risky.
So thank you so much, Kat.
Becca and Claire. Yeah, everyone, hi! I'm here! Yeah!
Oh my God, thank you so much for the 1 minute,
yeah, 1 minute only.
1 minute video, huh?
Okay, look for another victim.
Yeah, let's. I'm not sure if I can stretch this vlog, this English vlog, because this is so
Maybe
crazy.
you can look for another victim.
Well, thank you for the,
Upload it next year.
thank you for the ayuda, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
To
And
the people.
and thank you to all the boss madam idol behind this 𝓵𝓲𝓵. But anyway, thank you, Kat.
Ayuda.
So right now, I'm preparing to dispose this laundry. Sakto ba? Am I right using the term dispose? Yeah. This is a 1 week laundry. I think 1 week. 1 week. 1 week. 1 week plus. 1 week plus. Yeah. So we need to clean our linens and bed sheets and clothes also, because we have cats and there are many cats there. This vlog is very 𝓵𝓲𝓵. I cannot myself. Yeah, you know what? Do you know what I mean? I cannot myself. But you cannot express what you want to express, because it's so difficult to insert some words that you are used to when you are speaking Cebuano, right? What's the best choice of liquid detergent, Breeze or Ariel?
I preferred Ariel.
You preferred Ariel. And how many Downy?
It's up to you.
Okay, how much? All in all?
217.
Ate is, yeah, she jumped with me with my English challenge. I don't know if I do it right, Holmes, but yeah, this is it. This is our vlog for this week, guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, if you are new here, please click the subscribe button and like this video. Say hi to the comment section as well. So see you next week, Holmes. And thank you very much. Take care always. It's your homie again, Eiyan. Peace out.
Merry Christmas.